In today's video, we are going to talk about the newer 77-inch tripod, what makes it really amazing, some of the features that it has, and why you should get this tripod right now. If this is the first time of coming here, smash that red subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell, and let's dive in. Ahead and losing the tripod itself, is going to go ahead and remove this. And I love the fact that the tripod also has its own adjustable stand, which you can use to adjust how you want the tripod to stand. It has its own this 3-step here. You can use it to adjust how you want the tripod to stand. That is it, really nice. And the next one is the head mount, which can rotate 360. Now you can rotate this 360 to capture different shots, and at the same time it's also removable, which is really amazing because you can be able to remove this from the tripod itself. You can remove the head mount from the tripod, and you can rotate this 360 to be able to capture different shots, put on your landscape, on your portrait, and be able to rotate this, capture different angles that you want. And it's really amazing. It can actually do what the single tripod can do. And I love the fact that it's also detachable. You can be able to convert this from tripod to monopod just by removing the detachable stand there, which they also indicated there. So once you remove that, also remember to unscrew this pin at the bottom here, and then unscrew this particular one too, just to be able to pull out the stand and then connect it to the detachable stand, which you just unscrew from the tripod itself. And then once you already done, all you have to do is just for you to connect these two together. Just by screwing together, you'll be able to convert this from the tripod to monopod, and it's really strong and solid, which is one of the things I love about it. So even the tripod itself is very solid. The monopod is also very solid, and at the same time it's 77-inch, which you can also extend the height of it. By extending it, it's really tall. And I love this handle that they have, which is really solid for you to be able to hold the tripod itself. And we're going to convert this to a shorter monopod. So by removing the head, take out the first detachment that we did, and unscrew the detachable stand to the head itself, and this converts it to a shorter monopod. Now we can have a longer monopod, which is 77-inch, and then we also have the shorter one as well. So you can be able to make use of whichever one we want to make use of. So that's the one I'm holding, so we can be able to do whatever thing we want with it. And I love the fact that you can also use this tripod to capture micro shots, but just by turning it over, just losing the screw, turn it over, you can be able to use it to capture micro shot as well. And this here, the camera mount, very easy to remove. You can be able to use it for your phone, for your cameras, or for anything at all that you want to use it for. And it's really solid. I like the fact that it's really strong. Just by putting it back and just unscrew the button, it's really very easy for you to be able to fix this. There's nothing difficult. They've made everything simple, and also it's unique in its own way. And this is it with the phone. And at the same time, this was also the studio. I tested it out on my studio here, where I have the tripod. This is it on my camera mount. My cameras there. You can see, you can be able to turn this camera, the side, and then take different shots, both on portrait or whatever you want to do with it. And thanks to NEEWER for sending me this masterpiece right here. Thank you very much. And don't forget to use the link in the pinned comment or in the description of the video to order from their website and have this delivered to you wherever you are in the world. Thank you very much. And also remember to subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next video.